Saw my life come flashing by in the eyes of a faithful friend. 4 legs, 4 life, and the screaming ties never seem to end. I would change if Lester lives, not messing around just 'cause I own him. He was nearly wiped away, but he had good love and strong bones inside and behind him. Lester by Neil Finn, actually Crowded House I guess, although it was never released on an album until a compilation album in 1999 called Afterglow. But this has always been a really sweet track and a favourite of mine. It's a combination of interesting chords up high and simple nice chords for the chorus down low. Download your chart, it's very simple once you get around these high chords. 9th fret on the D string, 12th fret on the G string, then lower it after 2 strums down to the 11th fret on the G string. That first fret, that first chord, is a B augmented without a 3. And the second one is just a B power chord. Then reach your first finger over to the A string, 9th fret, play that and the open D and the 11th fret G string. Again, that is an F sharp augmented without a 3. And then lift that note on the A string up to the 11th fret, and with your first finger play the 9th fret on the D string. So you get 11 on A, 9 on D, and still 11 on G. And that is a G sharp minor 7. Names of the chords don't really matter. Learn these shapes. Then from here, drop your note on the A string down to the 10th fret. That's going to give you a G major 7. And then finally, drop these 2 notes down a fret. And if you need to change your finger from the 3rd to the pinky to keep it on the 11, do that. And that last chord is an F sharp. So again, right, that's your verse. Saw my life, and the strumming, we're doing a really light strum here, and you're only playing these 3 strings in the middle, so a light strum is going to help you be selective and accurate with these strings. But if you're strumming with your fingers really lightly, and you want to get this kind of slightly swung rhythm to it, and then it's when you go down, just before you get to this chord, which I said was an F sharp augmented, right? Before you do that, you can do this little thing that he sometimes does in demos and sometimes doesn't do. He kind of hammers on that G string on and off from 11 to 9 or 9 to 11, right? So you get this. And if you're doing this with your strumming, it doesn't really matter when you hit the strings and when you miss the strings. Miss them more than hit them, I would say. But you'll work it out. The important thing is to do that. Saw my life flashing by in the eyes of a faithful friend. 4 legs, 4 life, and the screaming ties never seem to end. Here's the chorus. D, I would change E7 if Lester lives. G, not messing around. D, and then go go to an A sus, which is an A with that 3rd fret, the B string. So it's I would change if Lester lives, not messing around, just 'cause I own him. He was nearly wiped away, but he had good love and strong bones. After the first verse, go straight back up to there. Next verse. And then you go do another chorus, and then chorus again, then you're done. Simple little song, but it's really, really pretty. Neil Finn, as we all know, is a master songwriter. Love him a lot. And this is one of his sweeter songs. Thanks for watching. See you again here soon. I would change if Lester lives, not messing around, just 'cause I own him. He was nearly wiped away, but he had good love and strong bones inside and behind him.